Hey gang, this is Mike with my Real Estate Dojo with Mr. Investor, and today's session is about the number 2 mistakes that I see a lot of my mentoring students do. The number 2 mistake is that many times my mentoring students are so happy that they got a motivated seller, they're willing to dash out there across the city and meet with the seller, okay? And that's totally wrong, guys. You really don't want to drive around all over town and meet with every seller unless you're just starting out and you have a lot of time in your hand. What you want to do is verify that A, that the seller's motivated, and B, you want to verify that all the decision makers are at the location before you go meet with the seller. There's no reason for you to go meet with the wife if the husband is not there, or vice versa. So the number 2 mistake that I see a lot of my students do is they set up appointments without all the decision makers being present at the location, and therefore they don't get the deal because somebody has to translate the message back to the other partner or other decision maker, and a lot of stuff is lost in the message translation. So the best bet is to verify that they're motivated, and then to make sure that both or all decision makers are present whenever you go into the house to give them a cash offer or give them your offer. This is Mike with my Real Estate Dojo. Go out there and make it happen for yourself. Don't listen to the naysayers. I believe in you. I know you can do it. This is America. This is the greatest country in the world. There's no reason why you should be in a rat race. I came to America as a refugee with my parents. We didn't speak the language. We had no credit. We had no money, no support, no connection. I have a lot of disabilities. I can't read correctly. I can't spell correctly. But I didn't allow my lacks and my disabilities to define me. I allowed my hard work, my burning desire, my sacrifice, my discipline, my drive, my focus to define myself, and that's how I was able to turn $100 into 3 businesses in Dallas, Texas, without ever borrowing money from a bank. I did it all through hard work. When the other guy was sleeping, I was fucking grinding it out. When the other guy was going out to the bar, happy hours, I was fucking grinding it out. When the other guy was having a good time watching TV, I was fucking grinding it out and reading the fucking book. So I worked when they slept. I worked when they had fun. I did whatever it fucking took to make it happen, and I'm very fucking proud of it because not that many people are able to do that. But the great thing is everybody can do it in America if you're willing to fucking hustle and bustle. So go out there, don't listen to the naysayers, the people that don't have a dream or only willing to just quit on their dream. Don't listen to these people. Go out there and listen to that little voice inside you. I believe that if you have the voice in your mind, then that is your purpose in life, and you need to go out there and hustle and bustle and make your purpose come to reality so you're able to play significance to other people's life as I am doing to you totally for free. I'm helping you help yourself as other authors have helped me, and other books have helped me to help myself. That's the great thing about America. Go out there and make it happen for yourself, guys. This is Mike with my Real Estate Dojo. I'll talk to you later, gang. Have a great day.